Bonjour, bonjour. Welcome to this review of WEC Le Mans on the singular Segment Spectrum. This is Goodies Home Gamer. No, seriously, welcome here to this review. So we are going to play some racing game today, WEC Le Mans here. This game came out in arcades. Don't know if it came out in the same year as this one. 1988 it says there. So perhaps it was the same year. So let's see how this one plays. This game came out on Commodore 64 as well, and Amstrad CPC. Don't know if this came out on any other systems, but please inform me if anyone knows. So let's define our keys here. Let's see if I can get on. Define keys, yes, please. Left, right, brake, accelerate, change gears. Okay. So here we go, let's see if we can get anywhere. Prepare to start the race. Thank you. Merci. So there is gears manually here. There you go, then now I have the second gear in here. And I should try to brake here. It is a little bit of frustrating, this game, because it's very, very narrow. And the cars is making the race a living hell for you, because they look at them. They are deliberately blocking your way, making it impossible to pass. And there is no need to panic. There is no point of panicking here, because you will end up crashing. So the best thing is just to take it easy. You will get to the checkpoint eventually, so keep your head cool here. But it is very frustrating. Look at it. What the assholes they are, actually. So there, okay, I can pass. Oh, one. Oh, I can pass. Oh no, I could not pass them. So this is very, very frustrating. That part, actually. This is the checkpoint. Oh shit! I changed gears there. Oh shit! So look at them. What the asshole! So this is the frustrating part. Is it this narrow in the real life in WEC Le Mans? Please tell me. I mean, it's not a racing game if you can't race. And I don't dare go too far to the right as well, because I don't want to end up in the trees. So it's not really a racing game. It's more about avoiding crashing kind of game, this one. Look at it. It's fucked up, completely fucked up. It's so annoying. But it looks very good, actually, I must say. Very good graphics for a Spectrum game. Nice colors. Variation when it comes to colors, with background and... Oh! What the asshole. Look at them. Driver retired to the pit. So this is... And I was nearly there. I'm gonna try one more time. Yes, can I race, please? So here we go again. Yeah, I'm pretty irritated now, actually, because a racing game should be about racing, not avoiding other cars 95% of the race. I was lucky there. But it's a good game, actually. I mean, I think it has its learning curve, the game. But they could have made it a little bit easier to pass the other cars. It's just annoying. This. Yes, can I pass you, please? Yes, I got at the checkpoint there. So I don't think I have ever finished this circuit before, so don't expect me to do it now either. Yes, please, thank you. So I have not played this game on any other systems, not including the arcade. I never played the arcade game. I have the file, but I cannot open it. I don't know why. And yeah. And I'm playing this with my keys, of course, because I redefined them earlier, so everyone could see. What the asshole! Shit. Yeah. I have tried to play this with the Xbox One controller, but it didn't work. So, but never mind. It's okay with keys. Retire to the pit. Fuck off. I was almost there. Gonna try one more time. One more time. So come on. 0, yes please. So this is frustrating. Why not make it a little bit easier? Oh hooray! I managed to pass them. Oh shit! Pushing the wrong button there. So I was punished for for driving too slow. But I didn't have a choice because they were blocking the way. So what the hell? I hope they are behaving better this time and letting me through. I can't imagine that the drivers in real WEC Le Mans are so bad people. So they are deliberately blocking your way. That level of unsportsmanship, it's completely out of my comprehension, actually. Beyond my comprehension. So I really hope that this is a sportman's sport. so in real life. This is crazy, actually. Can we let me through, please? What the hell was that all about? And it takes forever to start a race again. 20 seconds to go. And look at this asshole. He's blocking the way. And this one too. There is no shit. I'm getting there. There is a checkpoint. This is so frustrating. So I'm out of words. And it's a shame, actually, because it could have been a top-notch game, this one, actually. But perhaps it will be a top-notch game once you get the hang of it, but I don't have that patience, actually, to sit and go through all this bullshit like this. You know, I have to adjust the pace to a snail's pace. Am I getting there? 7 seconds. 5 seconds. Come on. Oh, how far did I get? I'm almost there. Okay, but I can't go on. Yeah, I have to give up sometime. Yeah, it's a frustrating game, as everyone can feel, I believe. And I managed to get on the scoreboard. Hooray! In the last place. So yeah, it's a good game when it comes to graphics, and sound effects is very good actually. And car handling is alright, but it's just too frustrating. So I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10 for this one. Anyway, I mean it's a good game. Once you get to practice it, I think it's getting better. It will be better. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Like always, have a good one. Goodbye.